So a couple of new things you may want to know about LinkedIn if you're serious about using LinkedIn as a business tool. Number one is if you had a profile video, it's gone. And hopefully you've gotten messaging from LinkedIn via email where they told you they were taking it away. They actually gave you the opportunity for you to download the video. I did, but I didn't really care about it. But it's gone. The only thing you have now here is a profile picture. It's pretty much all you have. But also if you click on verifications, you can see that we still have the audio file there, which by the way, you can only add from the mobile app. So the audio file's there. Please don't use that just for your name. You have 10 seconds. Put something meaningful in there, including the pronunciation of your name. And by the way, while you're here, you might as well go ahead and add some verifications. LinkedIn really is encouraging that. I like it. Apparently, there's roughly, I think there's 100 million people who have done that already. And if you read the terms and services about Clear, they are a legitimate company and that information is not used for nefarious reasons. So that's one thing that I want to share with you. The other one is under featured. This is pretty cool. There's a variation you get there now. If you go to add, you'll see you can add contents from your profile, and the options are your experiences, license search, recommendations, and courses. I really recommend you collect meaningful recommendations. Ask me how to do that and I'll help you. And then add your recommendations to the featured section. What's really cool is you could come back, maybe once a month or so, delete one of these recommendations you have here just by editing the featured section, remove this, and then go add a new one and pull a different recommendation from your LinkedIn recommendations. Just a couple ideas you might find useful as you're growing and building your LinkedIn profile to speak clearly to your target audience, telling them who you are, what you do, what you can do, and what you enjoy doing. Take care.